In today's episode, we will learn how to make small talk in English. Small talk is simple conversation. People use small talk when meeting someone or starting a conversation. It happens at work, at school, in stores, or even while waiting in line. Small talk helps people feel comfortable. It is a friendly way to connect with others. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. What is small talk? Small talk is short conversation. It is not deep conversation. People talk about simple topics. For example, the weather, the day, or daily life. Small talk helps begin a conversation. Part 2. Starting a conversation. You can start small talk with simple phrases. You can say, hello, hi, good morning. For example, hello, how are you? Or, good morning, how is your day? Part 3. Asking about someone's day. You can ask, how are you? How is your day going? How have you been? For example, how is your day going? The other person may answer, I'm good. I'm doing well. I'm okay. Part 4. Talking about the weather. Weather is a very common topic. You can say, nice weather today. It's very hot today. It's raining today. For example, it's a beautiful day today. Part 5. Talking about work or daily life. You can ask, are you busy today? How is work going? For example, are you busy today? Or, how is work going? Part 6. Talking about the weekend. People often talk about the weekend. You can say, do you have plans for the weekend? How was your weekend? For example, how was your weekend? Or, do you have plans this weekend? Part 7. Talking about hobbies. You can also ask about hobbies. You can say, what do you like to do in your free time? Do you have hobbies? For example, what do you like to do for fun? Part 8. Responding politely. When someone talks to you, you can respond politely. You can say, that's nice. That sounds great. Really? For example, that sounds interesting. Part 9. Keeping the conversation going. To continue small talk, ask simple questions. You can say, really? What happened? Tell me more. For example, really? That sounds fun. Part 10. Ending small talk politely. Sometimes small talk ends quickly. You can say, nice talking to you. See you later. Have a nice day. For example, nice talking to you. Have a great day. Part 11. Daily life examples. At work. Good morning. How are you? At a cafe. Nice weather today. In a store. Hello, how is your day? Part 12. Simple small talk conversation. Person 1. Hello, how are you? Person 2. I'm good, thank you. Person 1. Nice weather today. Person 2. Yes, it's beautiful. Part 13. Important tips. Small talk should be simple. Use short sentences. Smile and be friendly. Listen carefully to the other person. Part 14. Gentle encouragement. Making small talk can feel difficult, but practice makes it easier. You do not need perfect English. Simple phrases work very well. Small talk is about being friendly. It is okay to say, hello, how are you? Nice weather today. These simple phrases start many conversations. Now you know how to make small talk in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them when you meet people. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk with new people in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.